Hi everyone. Exams are just around the corner and I'm sure everyone is completely immersed in their preparations. I know completing the entire syllabus seems like an uphill, daunting task. But if well equipped with proper study timetables and follow some valuable tips that I have to offer, I'm sure you'll be able to ace them very soon. Well, firstly, make a proper timetable and give due importance to all your subjects. Remember to revise every day because it will help you retain critical and crucial information. Avoid skipping any chapters because that can be detrimental because in the exam you can get questions from any sections. Tip number 4, don't study at a stretch. Try and take a 10-minute break, after every 1.5 hours that you study so that your mind gets refreshed and your body is just not sitting in one place. Make sure you attempt sample questions and sample papers from at least 4 or 5 years so that you know exactly what to expect in the exam. Remember, but also to give equal importance to your class notes and textbooks. So, I would suggest use your sample papers, your class notes and your textbooks all together to actually learn for a particular subject. Remember, practice makes perfect. This is the perfect opportunity to develop a very important skill of time management. Ensure that you allot some time to your hobbies and time to relax because this will really help with stress management. Studying all the time is not going to help you. Eat nutritious meals at the right time. A well-balanced diet is also very important to keep your brain and your body active and in best shape to be prepared for the exams. Get at least 8 hours of sleep. Sleep is very important. A lot of students think by taking, by pulling all-nighters and by studying all night and not sleeping before the exam, they have an upper hand and, they can do much better. That's actually not the case. Going to an exam without getting a full night of sleep actually does not work out in your favor as your brain is not fresh and your mind is not completely active. Make sure you carry all your required ID cards with you to the examination hall. Keep extra pens and stationery with you at all times. You never know when you'll need one. Do not keep studying till the last moment. Outside the exam hall, a lot of students go and they want to study, up till the last moment. This will do nothing but stress you out. Give yourself at least a 15, 20 or 30-minute break in the morning before going in for your exam so you're refreshed and you can attempt your paper with a clear head. Highlight the important points and always remember not to crossword limits. Examiners don't really like very long, lengthy answers if they're not required. While writing your answers, make sure your handwriting is neat and legible. Revise all your answers, please, once you're done with your exams. This will really help you catch any mistakes that you may have made and fix them before you hand in your paper. And of course, try and please avoid discussing your exams once you finish them because it's over. It doesn't really matter anymore. You've done, it's in the past. So move ahead, move on to the next subjects and leave whatever you have behind. Don't discuss them with your friends because that's not going to help you anywhere. Whatever has happened has happened. Have faith in yourself, students. My one advice to parents will be, please don't push your children to achieve the highest marks or don't compare them with their peers or their family or their friends. Tell them or push them to achieve their best because that's really what matters. Students and of course everyone we know, all our children, should do their best and shouldn't be compared with each other. I hope this video has been helpful to all of you and of course we'll keep having more and more videos for you and tips coming forward. Thank you.